Hi, good and amazing people. How are you doing? Welcome once again. In today's video, I will share with you how I made this yummy vegetable yam porridge for my kids as lunch and as dinner, and they love it so much. So if you want to learn how I made it, keep watching. Wash and peel yam into bite size, then some prawn or dry shrimp, some Ugba, crayfish, some chili and habanero pepper. I'm going to remove the seed. It's the seed that makes it so spicy, so I'll remove it. So I have here my water leaves. I'll also be using Ugba for this recipe, salt for taste. I also have no seasoning cube, onion, and you will need a good palm oil for this recipe. So in a pot, I've added water, allow it to boil. So I'm going to add some salt. Then I'll gradually add in the peeled yam. Make sure you cut the yam into bite size that children will enjoy and eat easily, okay? So I'll allow it to cook. While that is going on, I'll go ahead to wash the vegetables. I'll be using some vinegar to wash the vegetable because this is what children are going to eat, so we need to properly wash the vegetables. So I will soak it in the water for like 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, I'm going to rinse this and then wash it properly for about 2 to 3 times or until the water runs clear. I will also do the same thing with the Ugba leaves. So I quickly check on the yam to see if it's done, but it's not yet done properly. So I will cover and allow it to cook until tender. Then I will go ahead to remove the seed of this chili pepper. Then I will roughly blend and set aside to use later. But if your children can tolerate the spicy of the food, you can go ahead and blend without removing the seed. Then I will go ahead to grate the onion. Sometimes I do blend because my children don't love to see chunks of onion in their food. Then next I will go ahead to slice the vegetables. You can also use your food processor to achieve this. We need to make the vegetables so tiny. I check on the yam, it's soft and tender at this point, so I will go ahead to drain it. So please remember to keep the water because you might use it later. Then in a clean and dry pot, I added some palm oil. Then I'll add the grated onion.